Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is plateau. What is plateau? And the definition is, this topic is from the chapter number 3. And the plateau's definition is a large flat area of land that is higher than the land around it. It is also called a high plain or a tableland. इससे मुराद है कि एक बहुत बड़ा ऐसा इलाका जो कि कदरे हमवार होता है, फ्लैट एरिया होता है, और लेकिन आम अगर हम ज़मीन से देखें, एक प्लेन एरिया से देखें, तो ये थोड़ा हाई होगा. नॉट लाइक अ माउंटेन, उतना स्लोपिंग नहीं होगा, उतनी स्लोप्स वाला नहीं होगा जितनी कि पहाड़ी इलाका होता है, लेकिन ये आम सतह ज़मीन से थोड़ा बुलंद होगा और माउंटेन से नीचे होगा. तो इस ऐसे इलाके को हम प्लेट्यू कहते हैं. अब हम बात करेंगे कि पाकिस्तान में प्लेट्यूज़ कितनी टाइप्स के हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं, द नंबर 1 इज़ पोटवार प्लेट्यू एंड द सेकंड वन इज़ बलोचिस्तान प्लेट्यू. नाउ डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक फ्रॉम आवर map. Okay, dear students, so this is the map from your textbook, and here the two shades of yellow color are representing the plateau areas of Pakistan. Like the first one is, this yellow color is representing the Potawar plateau, and this is the Balochistan plateau. Okay, now let's talk about its characteristics. Like Potawar plateau is situated in the north of salt range. That means here the brown shade, you can see the brown shade over here. I am pointing over here. This shade is representing the salt range. So अगर हम बात करेंगे इसकी अपर डायरेक्शन की तरफ, there will be the southern direction. So the Potawar plateau is situated in the north of the salt ranges. North of salt ranges, north, towards north. ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में हम बात कर रहे हैं तो हम कहेंगे towards north direction. It is in the middle of river Jhelum and river Indus. This is Jhelum and this blue line is representing the Indus river. That means Potawar plateau is situated in between these two rivers. Now let's see. Towards the eastern direction Jhelum river is located, and towards the western direction Indus river is located. After that, we will talk about its reserves of gypsum, coal and mineral oil are found in the river. River Swan is an important one of the area. It makes a valley here. This is known as Swan Valley, and the surface of the Potawar plateau is badly cracked. Okay, dear students, to make it more easy, I have planned a column sheet for you, table sheet for you. So have a look on that table sheet. Okay, I have planned this sheet for you. It's a comparison of the Potawar and the Balochistan plateau. We will talk about its different characteristics, like the average height. What is the average height of the Potawar plateau, and as well as the Balochistan plateau. The next one point is, what's the location. I have drawn through direction the different places of Potawar plateau and Balochistan plateau. In the next one, the information about the rivers and lakes of both plateaus, the mineral sources, amount of the rainfall, deserts, area, surface, and important mountains ranges. Okay, now talk about the average height. Potawar plateau, the minimum or maximum height is 300 to 600 meters, whereas Balochistan plateau is based on the 600 to 900 meters of height. 600 to 900 meters of height. This is the comparison sheet. You can see over here. Okay. the location. What is the location of Potowar Plateau? Okay, I have drawn the plus sign to show you the different directions. Like this direction is east, this is west, this is south, and this one is north. Towards the north direction of Potowar Plateau, we can see the Kalachita Range and the Margala Hills. Towards the southern direction, there is Salt Range. Towards the east direction, Jhelum River is located. And towards the western direction, Indus River is located. I hope you can now better understand this location through these directions. Okay. At the same time, we talk about the Balochistan Plateau, which is representing that towards the north direction there is Chagi Hills and the Toba Kakad Mountains. Towards the east direction, there is Suleiman Range and the Kirthar Range. Towards the west direction, Kharan Desert is present. Okay. Now, let's talk about the rivers and the lakes. The Sawan River is in the Potowar Plateau, and Hamun Mashwel salty water based this lake is located in the Balochistan Plateau. Zob, Hab, Hangol, and Dasht. These are the important rivers of this region, Balochistan Plateau. Mineral sources. Potowar Plateau has the reserves of oil, gypsum, and salt. But Balochistan Plateau has the reserves of coal, chromite, copper, gas, and jewels, precious stones. Amount of rainfall. This area has the average rainfall, but this area, the Balochistan Plateau, has the low rainfall. The next one is desert. Thal Desert. Thal Desert is present in the Potowar Plateau. And Kharan Desert is located in Balochistan Plateau. Now, the area of Potowar Plateau is 18,000 square kilometers, whereas its surface is badly cracked. In Balochistan, the surface of this land, Balochistan Plateau, is uneven and barren. Okay, the next topic is the important mountain ranges. In the Potowar Plateau, Kalachita Range, Margala Hills, and the Salt Range. These are all the important mountainous regions which are located in the Potowar Plateau. Now talk about the Balochistan Plateau, Toba Kakad, Rasko, Chagi, and Central Makran Coast. These are all the important mountainous regions of this plateau. Okay, now have a look on the map. These yellow shades are representing the plateaus of Pakistan. The first one is in the Punjab, Upper Indus Plains towards the north direction. This is Potowar Plateau, and there is towards the western direction of Pakistan. This is called Balochistan Plateau, this area. Okay, thank you so much, dear students.